Hello, guys. Welcome to our DSA bootcamp series. Today we are going to solve problem based on sliding window. Okay, so if you I already solved lots of problem. So if you have any doubt, then you can go and watch my sliding window playlist. Okay, and today we are going to solve problem number 30. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you that you can see what I'm going to do. Okay, so here, wait a minute. Oh, if you like my video, then you can share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, okay. Wait a minute, I am going to share my screen. I hope everything is visible. Okay, so this is the problem 30. Substring with the concatenation of all words. Find all starting indices of substring formed by all words concatenated. Okay, so here we can see in LeetCode. Substring with concatenation of all the word. Okay, you are given string s and array of string words. Okay, we have string s and array of string words. Okay, so this is the words that has strings a b comma c d comma e f. All the string of word are of the same length. Okay, these are the I mean all the string from the word, they have same length. A b, you can see here, a b c d and e f. These three have same length. Okay, a concatenated string is a string that exactly contain all the string of any permutation word. Okay, concatenated. Okay, so then a b c d e f. Okay, so we have this string. Okay, so we are going to find out a string like this a b c d e. Okay, that exactly contain all the string of any permutation of this. Okay, this, and here a b e f c d c d e f c d e f a b, and here again e e f a b c d and E, F, C, D, A, B. All are all concatenated string A, C, D, A, C, A, C, D, E, F is not a concatenated string because it is not the concatenation of any permutation of the word. Okay. So we are going to find out, like we have this word bar, fo, the, war, man. Here these are the word fo and war. Okay, so we have fo at index 0. It starts from war fu. Okay, so I have at index 0 fu. Okay, and here you can see bar. So at index 9, here you can see bar. This one. So I find out it at index 9. Okay. Mm. Again we have this string, and these are the word, go to, and where. Okay, so this is not containing any word, any permutation of word here inside this. So we are going to find out the permutation of these word inside the string. Okay, inside the s string, like this. Okay, here you can see these are the word, and here A B C D E F, I mean whatever, they all are concatenated string. Okay, and here A C D E F is not a concatenated string because it is not the concatenated of any permutation of the word. Okay, this is the solution I already have, because I already solved this problem. So first of all, I need to check word has same length. Yes. Fixed window is equals to total word length. Okay. So here I have s equals to AB x y AB, and here I am going to find out these word permutation of these word AB and XY. These are the words. Okay, and here fixed window equals to total word length. Okay, so word length equals to 2. You can see here this is the words and its length is equals to 2, and total length equals to 2 words and 2 letter. 2 words, a one word and second word, and letter is equals to 2. Each word have 2 letters. Okay, so 2 word into 2 letters, then total length will become 4, and window start from 0. Okay, so we are going to find out permutation of these words inside this S. Okay, so here window start from I equals to 0, and window equals to A B X Y. This A B X Y. Okay, so I equals to 0. You can write here values. I equals to 0 colon 0 plus total length. What is total length? Total length is 4. So we can take element from 0 to 4, because I equals to 0 and total length equals to 4. Okay, so here A, V, X, Y. Okay, so this is our window at I equals to 0. Okay, now J equals to 0. Okay, here you can see J equals to 0. Okay, this is a offset, like we have offset, we have like this A and B. These are the J has value from 0 to 2. Okay, like this A B A B. So we need to take J equals to 0 and 2. So here you can see S of I equals to 0, and plus J equals to 0, and colon here J I equals to 0 plus J equals to 0, and bud length equals to 2. This one. So it will become AB. So this is our current word AB. Okay, this one. AB from buds. Here, from here. Now we can count its frequency. So AB equals to 1. So it is not matching. Okay, so if we are going to match this, then it is not matching. Okay, now again, because I need both of them, AB and XY. Okay, we can't take single. Now I got now here you can see here s of 0, sorry, s of I equals to 0, and now j equals to j will become 2. So 0 plus 2 here colon I equals j equals to 2, and here colon again I means 0 and j equals to 2. So it will become s of 2 colon 4, and from 2 to 4 I need to take element. At index 0 I have A, at index 1 I have B, at index 2 I have X, so it will become XY. Okay, now I am going to add this XY into a current word, so it will become AVXY. Now I am going to check this AVXY will match from birth. Yes, it is matching here. Now I am going to increase I value. Here I equals to 1. So here we have BXYA. This one. BXYA. Okay. Now J equals to 0. So here you need to keep value I equals to 1 and J equals to 0. Then it will become S of 1 colon 3. So we need to take element from 1 to 3, that is BX from here. BX. Okay, then its count is also 1 here. Okay, and I'm going to matching that, it will match from bird. No, it is not matching, that's why I wrote here cross. Okay, now again j equals to 2. Here you need to put value I equals to 1 and j equals to 2. Okay, now I am now as will become as of, now I need to slice here as of 3 to 5. Okay, I need to take element between 3 to 5. So here 0 1 2 3. So here this one ya, from 3 to 5, this one ya. Now I'm going to add this ya in this current word. Okay, then it will become bx and y. I'm going to check again, this is matching to the word. No, that's why I have cross here. Okay, now now I increase by 1, so I equals to 2. So here you can see, uh, again I'm going to take new window x a x a, oh ho, x x y a v. Okay, here I equals to 0. Here you need to keep value I equals to 0. Okay, and sorry, I equals to 2 and j equals to 0. Okay, then here's slicing of s 2 with 2 to 4. So here I need to take xy here s start from index 2 to 4. So here I got this thing x and y. Its count is 1. Okay, again it will not match to the word, so I move in next step. Here j equals to 2. So you can see here I need to put value I equals to 2 and j equals to 2 here in this formula, okay. And word length, I also put word length. You need to put word length in every step. Okay, so here as slicing of s will become 4 colon 6. Okay, so here at index 4 0 1 2 3 4, at 4 I have a, and at 5 I have b. Okay, so it will become ab. This is my previous word and this is new word. Now I am going to check, yes, this is matching. Okay, from bird equals to ab xy, and here ab and xy. Okay, so here I am going to write code. 1 minute. Here I need to clear outputs. Okay, I already import counter that it will count the numbers like this. How many time of present AB, how many time of present BX. So it will give you frequency. Okay. From typing, I'm going to import a list that we can use a list. Okay. So this is the class and this is the function name. Okay. Here these are the parameters self as for string. Okay. This is our string. I took this string and these are the birds. Var for the. Okay, and output should be in list and should be in integer. Okay, so here bird length equals to length of bird at 0 index. Bird length equals to word length of words. Okay, because I have birds here, so I can't write without s. So this should we have s. Okay, now I am going to define total length. I need to define these things. Okay, bird length, total length. I need to remove this. Okay, so bird length should be dynamic, not static. Total length equals to what? Bird length into what? Length of bird. Length of words. Okay, so what is the length of word? Length of word is 2. This one. Then word length. This is the word length. Length of word at index 0. Okay, so we have two words here. So this is the AB. We have AB here. So its length is 2. Now I'm going to write another variable, that is target. Target equals to counter bracket words, counter bracket words, and here result. This is another variable that is store the result in empty list. Okay, now for I in range length of s, here total length plus 1, colon. Okay, it's mean I in range of length of s. So what is the length of s? You can count. What is the length of s? We have this one. Okay, I should keep this thing here. Mhm. And length of bird, these are the words. Okay, so we have length of s, what, 6. You can count here a b x y a b. We have 6 elements inside this, so we have length of s is 6 minus what, total length. What is total length? That is 4. I already calculated total length here. 2 words and 2 letters. That will become 4. So 4, and again I am going to add 1. So what I got here? What? 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. Okay, so here I will I iterate from 0 to 0, comma 1, comma 2. Okay, because here you can see here I equals to 3. Sorry, total range equals, this is the range. 6 total length, sorry, length of s, and total length 4 plus 1. Here this is the minus, so it will become 3. So I iterate from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see here I have I value 0, 1, 2. Okay, now current window, I am going to create word by using current window. So here current words, equals to, this is not in, current word equals to bracket s I plus j, colon I plus j plus word length. I plus j, colon I plus j plus word length. Okay, for j in range of 0, comma total total length, comma, word underscore length. Here you can see here I'm just going to calculate this range. This is for j, not for I, because I already finished for I. This is the second loop. This is the inner loop, okay, and this is for outer loop. Outer loop iterate by I, okay. Mm. Oh, I need to start like this, okay. So here range, you can see here range, this range. For j in range, in which range? J in range start means 0. Stop and step. Okay, so we are going to use this thing. So here start equals to what? 0. Stop. Where we are going to stop? 4 at I equals to, sorry. Mm, we are going to stop, sorry, this is the total length. Okay, so total length equals to 4. We are going to stop at 4, and word length, that is 2, and here step equals to also 2. Okay, so here you can see start means 0, and here stop means total length, which is the total length. In this, I mean at total length I need to stop, and step means bird length. Okay, here you can see 0 4 2. So we need to start from 0 and stop index 4, stop at 4, and we need to take step 2 2. Okay, so that's why I have j equals to 0 and 2, because we need to take step 2. Okay, now now compare. Okay, so here you can see here, we are going to take I from 0 to 1 to 3, 1 2. Okay, like this. I equals to 0, I equals to 1, I equals to 2. In second step, current word s of ij, colon, this things, s of ij plus colon I of j, I plus j plus word length, this line, this formula. Okay, I am going to use this formula here. Okay, this formula apply for j in range of from 0 to comma total length and word length. Okay, in this range 0 comma 4 comma 2, you need to start from 0 and you need to store at index, sorry, at 4, and we need to take a step 2. Okay, so this is the formula. Now I am going to compare. if if counter if counter of current word, where is the current word? These are the current words. Okay, if counter of current word is equals to target, then I need to sorry, I need to append it into a result. I will show you 1 minute. And then return result. And here I am going to print in double quotes slash n 4 line. Here testing with example. This is for I'm going to display some result. Okay, this is print statement, and this is for I'm going to write for testing solution. This is the class name solution. I already have solution class. Okay, this is our function name, this is the class, or this is the function. Okay, I need to copy and paste it here, and here I just need to take, oh, I don't need to write again it again and again. I already have these things. Okay, again it is not working. What is the problem behind it? 1 minute, yeah. So okay, uh here I already import collects, sorry, counter, that it will count the frequency of element. This is the list, I already import list, and this is the class, and this is the function name. Here these are the parameter as self. Okay, birds. So this is for string. S should be in string, and words should be in list, and that is string. Okay, and list out, I want output in list, and that is an integer. Okay, this is the bird length, I already explained. This is the total length, and this is the target. Okay, target, what is the target? Okay, so we are going to match, like if it is met. Okay, so target equals to counter of bird. Oh, here these are the words av comma xy. Okay, so it will count the word by using frequency, like it will give you frequency of the word. Okay, here this is the empty result. Here we are going to store our result. Okay, for I in the range of length of s minus total length plus 1. Okay, so here we are going to iterate I from index 0 to 2. Okay, that's why I have 0, 1 and 2. Okay, and here you can see, in this is our outer loop, and this is for inner loop. I'm going to find out current word by using inner loop. Okay, so here s of here you can see here for j in the range of 0 comma total length and bird length. Okay, so this is the j from 0 to mm from 0 to total length comma bird. Okay, from 0 to 2. Here I need to take a step like difference 2. Okay, it is said that here start with 0 and stop at index 4, and step it will take 2. Okay, so that's why I need to take 0 to 2, 0 to 2 here, j value. Okay, these are the offset of j, because I already have two element like this a b x y inside this, inside the word. Okay, and here after, like here this is the formula, and this is the j. So I got element by using this in the range of j. Okay, and here I'm going to check, I'm going to match this current word. Okay, this is the current word I store here. And here if counter of current word, counter means with frequency, like this ab. Okay, so I have count of ab is 1. Okay, then I'm going to match this ab is equals to what, buts here. So I'm going to compare current counter of current word equals to target. Target means bird count. Okay, count of bird. Here you can see. And after, like if you are like if you find out any match, then you need to add this. Here I'm going to match everything that ab or ab is present in birds, and xy is also present in birds. Here you can see ab and xy both are present in birds. Now they match, both are equal. Then you need to append the result inside, sorry, append the output inside the result. Okay, so here result dot append I. Okay, and return the result. And here this is for displaying your result, and this is the class, and find the string, and here this is the s, and these are the words. Okay, so I need to remove this. Actually I need to check what's going on in my Jupyter notebook. So here I'm just going to open new window. Okay, and here I am waiting for my DSA code. Okay, I am going to solve problem here. I need to close this sidebar. So problem is 30. Problem number is 30. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, here I need to select my virtual environment, Python environment. Okay, this is the recommendation. Okay, now I am going to run. Still, I think it is has okay. I got response. Okay, testing with example. Okay, 3. So here I got 0 and 2. Here at index 0 I have uh, AB, and at index 2 I have XY. You can see here 0 1 2. So this is our index 1, sorry, index 0 AB. Okay, because we have J from 0 to 2, we need to take j equals to 0 and j equals to 2, because they have difference of 2. देखो, you can see here we already took step equals to 2. Okay, so first step equals to at index 0, at j equals to 0 we have okay, and at index 2 we have xy. Okay, so I got output 0 comma 2. Okay,